So gold on D1. PTips says that RSI is above 50, okay? And then the bands, prices on the dual Bollinger bands are between the top bands. So it's the same thing as what silver had, right? This is a very classic bullishness, okay? This is classic bullishness. All right. Okay. Now H4. Okay, so on H4 on PTips, RSI is above 50. Yes, it is. It's coming down from the overbought, so that's quite interesting. And then the dual Bollinger bands, price within 1.0 deviation bands. Okay. All right, we see something quite interesting. Done. This is the support, and that's the resistance. Okay. If prices don't break below the support, then I can't really see how it will become more bearish. Okay, now if prices actually are not going to be higher, or you're not going to go into the between the top bands, then I can't see that it will be more bullish. So it's going to be ranging within this range of H4 for now. Okay, let's take a look at H1 to see if we see something more precise. Okay, on H1 is also quite unique here. Let's start off with PTips first. On H1, RSI is at 50. Okay, as we clearly know that it is in the consolidation area. Okay, so obviously the markets are ranging. That's what it means. Okay, and then the dual Bollinger bands. Prices are within the 1.0 deviation bands. Yes, it is. And you see that slight Bollinger squeeze. Okay, all right. So based on H1, we also see another very prominent support. Okay, this is a support. Okay, if prices don't break below the support line, then I don't see that it will be more bearish. Okay, now obviously, you may say, okay, yeah, but then the lows are getting lower and lower. Okay, and then look, the potential lows are getting lower and lower. We're stuck in a potential bearish channel. Okay, many people would see this as a bearish channel. Okay, but another thing is this, because of the potential economic sentiment right now, okay, gold is still considered a very, how should I say this, a very hot product for diversifying assets. Okay, it's a safe haven that a lot of people are jumping onto right now, no matter if they're from crypto or if they're from fiat, which is like legal tender money. Okay, lots of people are jumping in onto gold, so that's something that I wouldn't really want to use trend lines to justify its support resistance. Rather, I want to utilize a bigger time frame for the direction. Okay, so you see, overall, the direction is still more bullish. Okay, so I'm utilizing the overall bullish, okay, inclusive of my horizontal lines to justify these support resistances. Okay, okay, if this is a little bit complex, just ignore everything I said. Okay, basically watch for this support. All right, okay, cool. So yeah, without further ado, let's actually jump right in. And you know, test out some of the trades. Now, please don't blindly trade along with us. Okay, you have to do your own analysis. All right, so the larger time frame is a bit more bullish, despite the fact that we will see some pullback. Okay.